User Interface Communication Lead Continuity Testing. Before starting work on the quantum heater, it is important to safely isolate the product from both electrical supplies, the peak supply and the off-peak supply. Equipment must be safely isolated. Follow G38 isolation techniques. Ensure all 12 steps are adhered to and the equipment is safe to work on. Only trained and competent persons are allowed to work on Dimplex heating and ventilation products. Dangerous voltages and switch neutrals can be found in many products. This is outside the scope of the fixed wiring systems. By the end of this short video, you will know how to test the continuity of the user interface or UI power and communication lead. Before starting, please review the video on removing the user interface. Unplug the communication lead from the UI. Unplug the other end of the communication lead from the charge controller PCB. Remove the communication lead from the heater for testing. Set the meter to resistance and check the functionality before commencing. The test lead resistance here is 1.7 ohms, proving the functionality of the meter. Test the continuity of each individual core from the rear of each plug. White equals comms, black 12 volt DC, red 12 volt DC. Test the white core. At one end of the lead, touch the metal pin contact adjacent to the white core. Continuity through the white core should be found. The resistance should be similar to the test lead resistance only. There's a fault with the lead if there's a high resistance reading or open circuit. Test the black core. At one end of the lead, touch the metal pin contact adjacent to the black core. Continuity through the black core should be found. The resistance should be similar to the test lead resistance only. There's a fault with the lead if there is high resistance or open circuit. Test the red core. At one end of the lead, touch the metal pin contact adjacent to the red core. Continuity through the red core should be found. The resistance should be similar to the test lead resistance only. There's a fault with the lead if there's high resistance reading or open circuit. If there's a high resistance or open circuit through any core, replace the UI communication cable with the appropriate Dimplex spare. Thank you.